Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to enable a voice chat on Roblox. So first of all, open the Roblox app on your phone, and now once you open the app, just make sure you're logged in with your ID. Now go to three dots and click on settings. When you click on settings, so before going to privacy to enable voice chat, guys, we need to go to account info, and we need to do something before enabling voice chat. So once you reach here, guys, now if you want to enable the voice chat, you have to verify your age first. So make sure you have entered the correct age here and correct date of birth before verifying age. Once you enter, just click on verify my age. Now it will ask you to prepare with valid ID. So just have a soft copy of, or you just have to, you should have a physical or a hard copy of valid ID, so you can take the photo to verify your age. So just click on this start session and click on Chrome browser. It will take you to the browser. Now it will ask you to start the session to first of all upload the ID, and government issued ID like voter ID card or any card, so that has a photo. Now just click on this, let's go, and just take a photo of any ID. To upload the guys voter ID, now you, or voter ID or any ID card, then you can have, it will ask you to take a selfie to verify your age. So just take a full selfie in which your face is should be visible clearly. Confirm. Once it is confirmed that your age is verified, now you have to go back to Roblox app, and again guys, we have to go to settings of Roblox. Now go to again three dots, go to setting again. Now once you verify your age, just click on this privacy option, and now you will see under the privacy setting there is option voice chat. Just enable the voice chat. To enable it, just click on, tap on the toggle button, and your voice chat will be enabled. So this is the criteria to enable voice chat on your Roblox. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.